Hey everyone, if your retirement income is important to you, you need to watch this short video I'm about to show you. Hi, my name is Pat John Lamparelli. I'm with the Retirement Solution Leaders Group. What I have here is the history of the federal income tax rates from 1913 all the way to 2018, which on here is unbelievable. I had no idea when I pulled it up, but I'm going to share it with everyone here. In 1913, when we had a war, our tax bracket went up to 77% based on what Congress provided. This is unbelievable. That means that anyone that was in a government-sponsored plan is going to have to pay 70% of their retirement income to the government. Well, of course, we were in a war at the time, but 70% is amazing. Right now, we're great. We're at 39%. That is good right now. People don't realize how good that is. Here's another one here. In 1932, when we had the Great Depression, we were in a maximum 63 tax bracket. That wasn't too bad at the time based on 1913. But if we go here and I show you this, and I looked in 1944, the tax bracket, the maximum tax bracket was 94%. Do you realize what that means? 94% of your money is going to be going to the government to help the wars. Once that was over, we went to the 1970s and the 1980s. In the 1980s, they slashed it to 50%. 50% of your money was going to be going, if you were in a tax-deferred retirement plan, 50% of your money was going to the government if you were deferring your taxes for your retirement and your family's retirement. That's outrageous. In the 1990s, it went down to 39.6. For many people, they have no idea how great that is right now. But as we see right now, what's happening, we're in a $22 trillion government deficit. Now, do you think that taxes is going up or is it going down? We all know it's going to go up. So what's going to happen to our tax bracket? What is going to happen to your government-sponsored retirement income when you're ready to retire? You're putting all this money away for your family, not to pay the government's deficit. But that's what's going to happen if you keep your money in a government retirement-sponsored plan. Now, the thing to do is what many people are doing now, taking their money. They're not going to worry about what is going to happen in the future. They don't care. They're going to take it and they're going to put their money in their own private retirement plans. They're not going to depend on the government, and they're not going to wait so they could have to pay a higher tax bracket when they're ready to retire and give the government all their money. That is what's happening, and that's how it's going to be going in the future if you don't take a look at what's going on and you're just worrying about everyday life and not worrying about what's going to happen to your retirement income. But this is what's going to happen to your retirement income if you don't pay attention and take your money away from the government. And that's what I have to say in this segment. I hope everybody understands, and I hope everyone believes the fact is that the government is not your friend. They just want to take your money. They want you to be in a government-sponsored plan. Get out of it now while you're ahead. Thank you.